Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that can crop up in the world of authentication. The issue at hand is related to a closed question that lacks the necessary details or clarity to receive answers. It's currently off limits for any new responses, making it a bit of a tricky problem to tackle. Moving on to the solution to this authentication snag, it's all about understanding the crucial role of comments in the process. Interestingly, the comment attached to a key is just that, a comment. It doesn't play a part in the authentication dance and doesn't get utilized by GitHub in any meaningful way. You could practically put anything there, even a random blah, and it would work just fine. This comment, not visible in the UI later on, may or may not even be stored by GitHub. Taking a closer look at the code snippet provided, we see a snippet of text resembling a public key. It includes the type of encryption algorithm used, in this case SSH E25519, followed by a lengthy string of characters, and then the identifier Daniel@dbd18. This comment usually defaults to username @hostname and can help organize a collection of keys in an authorized _keys file. To wrap up our discussion on this authentication puzzle, it's clear that comments play a minimal role in the broader scheme of things. Understanding the nuances of key comments and their storage can streamline the process of managing multiple keys effectively. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. If you found this content helpful, remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay secure and keep exploring new tech tricks.